Today's throwback recipe is cherry ripe bites. So what I'm going to be using for this one is 1 scoop of the Happy Whey vanilla protein powder. I'm using whey. I've got 1 cup here of desiccated coconut, 1/4 cup of shredded coconut, 1 cup of cherries. I've got about a tablespoon here of coconut oil which I've melted, and I'll be using 1 tablespoon of rice syrup. I'm also going to be coating my balls in some melted chocolate. So to make this, what I'm going to do is add all of these ingredients into my food processor and process until it's well combined. I'm then going to roll about 1 tablespoon amount of that mixture into balls and then pop them in the freezer to set for about an hour. Once they're set, I'm going to take them out of the freezer, I'm going to coat them in some melted chocolate, pop them back in the freezer for about 30 minutes, and that's it.